Good morning or afternoon, first graders. We are going to continue working on our phonics lessons and we're going to be practicing our long vowel sounds again. But to get us started, we're going to be doing the listening and changing sounds in a word to be able to practice new words. Okay, so I'm going to say a word and then you are going to be listening for that middle vowel sound. Okay, tack, t-ack. You hear the ah sound in the middle. You're going to change the ah to I to make a new word. Tack. Change ah to I. Tick. Nice job. Okay? We're going to continue with that with a lot of different sounds, so be listening and we will move through it pretty quickly. Okay? Our first word is bag. We're going to change the ah to eh. Beg. We're going to change the eh to I. Big. You're going to change the I to bug. Next word, wish. You're going to change the I to ah. Wash. Next word, tub. You're going to change the to ah. Tab. You're going to change the ah in tab to oo. Tube. Nice job. Next word, seat. You're going to change the E in seat to ah. Sat. Ah in sat to eh. Set. Eh in set to I. Sit. I in sit to I. Sight. Nice job. Bought. You're going to change the ah in bought to ah. Bat. Ah in bat to I. Bit. The I in bit to oo. Boot. Ooh, that was kind of a tricky one. The oo in boot to E. Beat. All right, nice job. There was a lot of listening words and vowel sounds in those there for that part. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our high frequency, also known as our sight words that we see in our decodables and in our everyday reading as we even read other books. To review them, we are going to read the word, talk about the word just briefly, and then we'll even have time to spell the word. Okay? The word is think. Think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. I think it's time to go to sleep. Do you think first grade is easier or harder than kindergarten? All right. Our next word is bring. B-R-I-N-G. Bring. Mother will bring her brother to the celebration. What do you bring to school every day? Ooh, that's a good question. One of them should be your iPad. The other one should be your mask and a water bottle. Okay? The other one is, or our next word is before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. Randall will comb his hair before he goes to the restaurant. What do you do before you go to school each day? Next word is light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Berta's suitcase was light enough to carry. That means it wasn't heavy. What things can you name that are light as a feather? Remember, light is not heavy and a feather is really, really light. So do you have things around your house that are light like a feather? Next word is because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Sandra was happy because she finished her homework. Have you ever done something because you wanted to help a friend? Next word is carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Edward can carry his lunch tray to his table. What things can you name that are too heavy for you to carry? There are many things that are just too heavy to lift. Show. S-H-O-W. Show. Maggie will show me her new dress. If you could show the class your best drawing, what would it be? Show. And our last word is around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. We drove around town. What are some reasons that you might walk around your neighborhood? Around. Now we're going to move on to listening to a few more of those middle vowel sounds that we hear in words. Okay? I want to see you give me a thumbs up if you hear the long O sound, or a thumbs down if you don't hear a long O sound. Okay? Our first word is rope. Rope. Do you hear the? Good job. You do hear that long vowel sound. Okay? Next word is globe. Good job. Glob. Nice work. Okay, next word, nose. Good job. Note. Knot. Nice job. Last one, phone. Good job. It's listening for that long O sound. Okay? Now, before we move on to our blending board, we are going to just practice a few of those because we are working on the O sound, the long O. O like ocean. O like ocean. Now remember, you are always welcome to use your sound cards to help you get through these because this is just the big sound card compared to your smaller one that you should still have at home. Okay? To get moving, let's practice this word right here before we go over to our blending board. Okay, ready? J-O, joke, joke, joke. All right, good job. Next one. N-O, note, note, note. All right, good job. And we will try one more word, and I'll put it right up here. Remember, this is an open-ended, so it's an open vowel, so it makes that long vowel sound. N-O, no. That means no, you can't skip blending board today. All right, good job. I appreciate you following along. Let's go ahead and move on over to our blending board. All right, during blending board, we are going to continue working on long O sounds as well as practicing some of those other sounds that we just learned last week because they are a little bit tricky and we're seeing them more and more in our reading. All right, let's read. J-O, joke, joke, joke. S-O, so, so. O, hose, hose, hose. O, phone, phone, phone. W-O, woke, woke, woke. Nice job. Let's read the next line. N-a, knack, knack, knack. N-a, nash, nash, nash. R-I-R-I-S-T, wrist, wrist. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Knot, knot, knot. Nice job. Ready? Lace, lace, lace. Cage, cage, cage. Ready? Badge, badge, badge. Space, space, space. Place, place, place. Good job. I know they're really, really tricky words and you've probably seen some of those before, but it's good to continue to practice. We only have one sentence today, but before we do that sentence, I'm going to point to a few of those words and have you read them out loud. phone, wrist, place. Good job. So, knack, lace, joke. Good job. Let's read our sentence. A light woke me at home. Again, a light woke me at home. Nice job on your blending board today. All right, so for today's dictation, you're going to need your paper from our last dictation lesson. It is going to have your name. It should say lesson 16, and we have cone and hope that is already on our paper. So remember, it will be helpful if you also have your sound card out during this dictation time. All right, our next for number 3 is drove. Mom drove me to school. Drove. Stretch it. D-R-O-V. Drove. D like duck. Like rooster. O like ocean. V like volcano. Drove. Are there any questions? That is a good question. What is the O spelling? It is O consonant E. Remember, you can pause if I'm going too fast so that it'll give you a chance to write before I provide the spelling of it. Drove. Write it. Drove. D-R-O-V-E. Drove. Nice job. Remember, put an X over your mistakes or circle them and write the correct spelling of it. Remember, there's no capital letters in the middle of this word or at the beginning. Our next word, number 4, is froze. The water froze on a cold day. Froze. Stretch it. F-R-O-Z. Froze. Like fish. Like rooster. O like ocean, Z like zebra. Froze. Any questions? Yes, that is the O consonant E spelling. Froze. Write it. Okay, froze. F-R-O-Z-E. Froze. Nice job writing today with your dictation. Put your paper in a safe spot after you have fixed your errors or your mistakes, and save this for your next lesson to continue on with our dictation. Thank you.